the 10 surprising reasons why it really does keep the doctor away. We've all heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. It may seem like a cliché, but there's a lot of truth behind it. Apples are not only one of the most popular fruits globally, but they are also a powerhouse of nutrition. Packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber, apples offer numerous health benefits that contribute to overall well-being. We'll explore 10 impressive reasons why incorporating apples into your daily diet can truly keep the doctor away. 1. Nutrient-rich goodness. Despite their small size, apples are packed with essential nutrients. They are an excellent source of fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and various antioxidants. A medium-sized apple contains about 95 calories, making it a nutrient-dense snack that will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. 2. Weight loss support. The high fiber and water content in apples help you feel full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. The water content also adds volume, making apples a great choice for those looking to manage their weight. Incorporating apples into your diet can help curb your appetite and contribute to weight loss efforts. 3. Heart health promoter. Apples have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. The soluble fiber in apples helps lower cholesterol levels, while the polyphenol have antioxidant effects that may lower blood pressure and prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. This makes apples a heart-healthy snack that can contribute to overall cardiovascular health. 4. Gut health booster. Apples contain pectin, a type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic. This means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system and boosting your overall health. Including apples in your diet can help promote gut health and keep your digestive system functioning smoothly. 5. Diabetes prevention. Studies have shown that eating apples is associated with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. The polyphenol in apples help protect pancreatic cells from damage and reduce blood sugar levels. By incorporating apples into your diet, you can help support your body's ability to prevent and manage diabetes. 6. Brain-boosting properties. The antioxidants in apples may help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Research has shown that quercetin, a compound found in apple skin, is particularly beneficial for brain health. So, it turns out that an apple a day may really keep the mind sharp. 7. Immune system support. As the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are a great source of vitamin C, known for its ability to boost the immune system. Regular consumption of apples can help your body fight off infections and illnesses more effectively, keeping you healthy and strong. 8. Hydration helper. With their high water content, apples are an easy and delicious way to stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining bodily functions such as circulation, temperature regulation, and waste elimination. So, snack on an apple, and you'll be doing your body a favor. 9. Skin savior. Apples contain antioxidants and vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which helps maintain healthy skin. These compounds protect against skin damage, promote collagen production, and keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Including apples in your diet can contribute to healthy and glowing skin. 10. Cancer prevention potential. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and phytonutrients in apples may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, including breast and colon cancer. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals and inhibit cancer cell growth. So, along with other healthy lifestyle choices, eating apples can help support cancer prevention efforts. In conclusion, apples truly live up to their reputation as a miracle fruit. With their impressive nutrient profile and numerous health benefits, it's no surprise that an apple a day can keep the doctor away. Whether you prefer them as a snack, in salads, or as part of a delicious recipe, incorporating apples into your daily diet can positively impact your overall health. So, next time you're craving a snack, reach for an apple, and remember the old adage that turns out to hold some real truth after all.